Better understanding of why there's not been any response about a private school hiring a convicted felon to run school security. We've been all over this story from the start.
Wyatt Henderson, a former Charlotte County deputy, was arrested this week for being a felon in possession of a weapon. He was head of security at the Canterbury School. And the Night Beat's Justin Case joins us now live in studio. Justin, you spoke with an attorney who gave you insight as to why there may have been very little chatter.
I found the list of the Board of Trustees for Canterbury School on their website, and I started making calls. The board members I was able to get in touch with told me no comment. Only one told me that they cannot talk about it because they, quote, signed a waiver not to talk about it. And as I'm learning from a legal expert tonight, it's not uncommon for private institutions to make people like board members sign an agreement barring them from speaking publicly. An unredacted report from the Lee County Sheriff's Office is answering a lot of questions after Canterbury School's head of security, Wyatt Henderson, was arrested for being in possession of a weapon by a convicted felon. Henderson told investigators he was recruited by the school for the position. It's unclear if the school knew they were hiring a convicted felon to be in charge of children's safety. Henderson told deputies he obtained a Class D security license through the state and thought it allowed him to carry a firearm that was owned by his wife. Deputies acquired Henderson's application for the license, which shows he answered no when asked if he's been convicted of a felony. I reached out to the Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services to request a copy of the application. We are still waiting to hear back. I then called board members to figure out how a convicted felon could have been hired to be the head of the school's security.
My name is Justin. I'm a reporter with Wink News.
We only got through to several board members who told us no comment. Only one explained that they couldn't talk about it because they signed a waiver not to talk about it. FGCU legal expert Pamela C. says that is not uncommon.
If they spoke out, it could be harmful to them for all kinds of reasons, whether there's the possibility of legal action, some kind of lawsuit against the organization. And you don't want people giving mixed messages, different or wrong information out at all.
And Wyatt Henderson told investigators that the school's board asked all security guards at the school to openly carry firearms after the Nashville school shooting took place. He said he didn't have any concerns following that request despite his criminal history. The school still hasn't answered any of our questions. Back to you.